Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix there was an error connecting to the Apple ID server on any iPhone. If you're using any iPhone and you're having this type issue, so let's see how can you easily fix that. First of all, you just have to go back and here you have to go for your settings and you have to make sure that you are connected to any Wi-Fi or cellular, or you have to try to enable or disable your airplane mode. It will make a quick refresh into your network settings, and once you have that, you have to go to your general and go for VPN and device management. You have to make sure that you haven't any VPN connected, because sometimes it might be that your phone is connected to any VPN or you can get these type issues. So once you have that, you have to go to transfer reset iPhone, select reset network settings, and here you have to enter your passcode. And once you have entered your passcode, it will reset all of your network settings. It will not delete your data. So you can really try this, and once you have resetted all of your network settings, it might be that your problem will be fixed. But if it doesn't, so now what you have to do, you have to make a force restart your phone, because sometimes it might be that your phone needs a restart, so it cannot work properly. So you just have to quickly press and release your volume up and volume down, then press and hold your power button, wait for your phone screen until your goes black. So let's try this. You have to quickly press and release the volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your screen goes fully black. And once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo here. So here you have to simply wait for Apple logo, and once you get the Apple logo, you have to release the button and wait for your phone till it's restart, and after that your all problem will be fixed and you cannot get these app issues. So in this way you can really fix if you are having there was an error connected to the Apple ID server on any iPhone. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.